So let's shift focus to what's been happening in the state of Karnataka. The Congress's poll guarantees are under fresh scrutiny as the Karnataka minister delivers a bizarre justification stating that the schemes are not salaries but benefits. Now, this comes amid mounting complaints of delayed payments to beneficiaries. The opposition has slammed the Congress party in Karnataka, accusing it of failing to fulfill its promises, while the government scrambles for explanation.
ಅವರು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಈಗ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 2,60,000 ಜನ ದಾಖಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಂಗಳು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಅದು ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಂತಿದೆಯಾ? ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ಕೂಡ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇದೇ ತಿಂಗಳು ಸಂಬಳ ಟೈಪ್ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೊಡದಿರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 10 ದಿವಸ 15 ದಿವಸ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರಣ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Well, let me go across to Deepak Bopanna for more on this. Deepak, just yesterday, the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, spoke about the Griha Lakshmi scheme and the delayed payments there. And now, of course, you have Mr. K.J. George, another senior member of the Karnataka Congress, basically saying that the guarantees that have been pledged by the Congress party before the elections are not entitlements. That's pretty much what he's tried to say, that they're not salaries that you get at the end of each month. They're instead benefits. What explains his comments?
Well, the government time and again has put itself in a fix through, delayed, delivery of these guarantees. After the Lok Sabha elections, we saw the Griha Lakshmi scheme in particular take a hit. At that point in time, there were different justifications that came in from the Women and Child Welfare Department and the minister and the overall representatives of the government. Now, once again, there are reports that multiple people are not getting hold of, some of the schemes and the benefits under the scheme for several months now. And while the Deputy Chief Minister initially acknowledged it, the Chief Minister has claimed that he was not aware of it, and now that it has been brought to his notice, he'll release the payments. Now here we have the Energy Minister going on to say that, well, there are 2.6 lakh beneficiaries. Should the Minister have to know about the details of the money that is being delivered to them or not? Well, the question here is who is accountable? Now, if you're making these promises, the people, are now, almost become dependent on some of these guarantees. It was the Congress that said we will deliver it. And now, well, there are delays. Of course, it's the ministers who will have to answer. In turn, they're questioning whether they are actually responsible for it. And more importantly, they're saying, well, it's not like your monthly salary or income that you should be dependent on it. So, of course, it's putting people in a fix and also giving somewhere fodder to the opposition to attack the Congress party over their guarantees, which has been, of course, a flagship, talking point as well for, the Congress, not just in Karnataka, but in other states. But when you have instances like this and statements like this, it definitely raises questions as to the procedures that's being followed.
Stay with us, Deepak. Let's once again listen into that controversial remark made by Mr. K.J. George.
ಅವರು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಈಗ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 2,60,000 ಜನ ದಾಖಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಂಗಳು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಅದು ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಂತಿದೆಯಾ? ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ಕೂಡ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇದೇ ತಿಂಗಳು ಸಂಬಳ ಟೈಪ್ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೊಡದಿರಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 10 ದಿವಸ 15 ದಿವಸ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರಣ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.